Good morning everyone and welcome back to Terry Travels. Today we're in Liberia, Costa Rica and we're staying at Hostel Dodero. It's a great hostel. It's only 100 meters from the bus station, which is really convenient because today we are going to Llano De Cortes Waterfall. It's about 800 colones to catch the local bus, and the instructions are go 4 pedestrian bridges and get off. So that's the plan for today. Come along. Guys, we just got on the bus and we are going to go to the waterfalls. Oh my god, I look like a sweaty mess. So we get off at the 4th pedestrian bridge. And then we go down this gravel road. We get off the bus and now we're walking down this dirt road, gravel road. Apparently there's a waterfall at the end. I don't know what we just came across up here. We found it, Krista! Slippery. Ba-bam! They nip at your feet. Hoping the bus comes along. We're gonna catch it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these beautiful waterfalls. See you soon.